Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other based website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency or USD dollar from that website. That website pay much more USD dollar to much more users, and you can earn very easy way. Okay, this is the website. This website link available in description. You can click the link and come here and make a your account. Okay, the payment proof of this website. This is how all people get their free cryptocurrency. You can see this is just USD dollar. This website pay in the cryptocurrency, and this much you withdraw this website pay, and this much USD dollar this website pay. Okay, and this is very easy way you can earn from here. Just I share with you the registration, how you can register yourself. I have already an account. Just go to sign up, put your email, username, password, confirm password, and solve the captcha. Okay, just I click login. Just I log in my account, solve this little captcha first. You can choose your captcha, any captcha you want, and just I solve the captcha and just click login. And just I wait. This is the website, and this website send you an email to your email. You can confirm your email and you can withdraw your funds instantly, and this is the minimum withdrawal. This website pay you like BTC to your Faucetpay, and this is the minimum withdrawal. If you reach it, you can easily claim your free cryptocurrency instantly in your Faucetpay account. Okay, first of all, of the earning, first confirm your email address. Just click resend, and then come here and open your Gmail account. You will be registered with that Gmail account. Okay, just wait few seconds after opening, and you can see this website show me the email I received. Just click confirm email, and this will be confirming and login back to your website. You can see this will be confirming. This is very easy, and you can reach in level and make much more earning from this website. Okay, the first way you can earn is the achievements. I shared with you about achievements. Okay, this is the achievement: claim 30 times per day, and this much energy, and this much USD pay you. Okay, the next one is this, and you can claim rolling up or down, and you can maybe earn some coins or lose some coins. I didn't recommend you to use this one. The next one is the manual faucet. The manual faucet is very easy. You can earn every 2 minutes claim and 100 time claim per day. If you claim it, you can earn 6 cents every day, and just solve this like the capture. This very easy. Just solve it and choose your next capture. Okay, and shakers and movers, and just click your reward, and you can see this website pay me after 2.5 minutes. This website let me to I claim again. Okay, and the next one is the PTC ads. Okay, the PTC ads, if you watch all of these ads, you can earn this much USD dollar. Okay, just watching all of these ads. The ads watching is very easy. Just click, and the timer is 10 seconds. Of all of these is 5 seconds. Okay, the next one is a lottery ticket. You can buy a lottery ticket. You can participate in a contest until 2 or 60 hours. After that, you can participate, and maybe you are winner or you're a loser. Okay, this is the best choice. You can do it. The next one is the offer wall, but offer wall unlocked it after level 10. Okay, this is all. You can earn your free cryptocurrency from this website, and this website pay you 100%. I share with you the leaderboards, contest, the leaderboards levels. This is the highest level this website, this person have. The activity in the week. Okay, this much XP this person has, and this will be get this much cents. Okay, after 5 days. And this is the referral contest. This person reaches level 0 and this person have 25 referral. If you make register in here with my referral link, and I will be earn this much USD dollar. After that I will be make a giveaway for you all, and you can make your free earning too. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. This is the website, and this website pay you 100%. After that I earn 10 cents or 20 cents, then I share with you the withdrawal proof of this website. And this is my channel. Just subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Bye bye for now.